Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss like how we select the drop down into a Selenium WebDriver. Like before moving on the topic, if you are coming first time on my YouTube channel or you have not subscribed, subscribe it so that you can get the latest video when I upload. Okay, now let me start. So this is the facebook.com. If I click on create new account button, you will get this pop-up window. Here there is a date of birth. This is a drop down. So to select the drop down box, Selenium will provide a function like we can use that function and select the drop down values. Okay. So first of all, I will get the element locators of these function drop down boxes. Like I am going to capture the element locators of the date of birth. So this is ID. So we can get the ID here. And then here I can use the driver dot find element, right, by dot ID. Why? Because I am using here the ID. This will return us the web element object. Okay, so this is the day element. Selenium WebDriver will provide a class that is known as the select, and this class is coming org openqa selenium.support.ui. You can import this and create the object of this class. Okay, so when we create the object of this class, then we can pass the web element object like day web element in it as argument. Okay, now created the select class object. Then with the help of using this select, we can select the value from drop down. So here are multiple methods. So if you want to select the drop down value, then we can use the function. There are three functions. First is the select by index. Second is the select by value. Third is the select by visible text. So I will go one by one. First, index. So what do we mean by index? So basically index is when we come here, then all the values are coming under the options. One more thing, this select class will work, select class function will work only when your drop down is developed by using the select HTML tag. If the drop down is customized drop down, then this function will not work. Okay, so make sure your drop down is created by using select HTML tag, and there is options values are coming under the option tag. Okay, so if we pass the index, then it means this will select the values as index. Index means first one is first index, second like this. Okay, so let me now run and show you the code. You can see one is selected. Okay, one is the first element. Similar type, if we want to select a different index, index is just a position of the values which are coming under the options tag. If I pass here the 3, then it means this will select the third values from drop down. Third is selected. Okay, next we can select the values by using visible text. Okay, so what is the visible text? So if I come here, so all the values which are coming, you can see on the drop down like 1 2 3, these values are the visible text. Okay, so if we pass the 3, it means this will select the drop down value from the option which value is 3. Visible text is 3. Okay, second, here you can see visible Jan, Feb, March like this. If I inspect this, Then this is again select. Here the position is 1 January to February 3rd March, like this. But if I talk the visible text, then visible text is Jan, Feb, March. Okay, let me create the locators first of this. This is the month. So I can create the month. So first of all, I will use the create the web element driver dot find element by dot id, then passing the month. Okay, and this will return us the month web element object month. Okay, next we need to create the select class object by passing the month wave element. Okay, now I can use this select to select the drop down value by using the visible text, this one. Okay, here I am going to pass Feb. Okay, so let me run the code. Now you can see Feb is selected. And if you want to select the text by value, okay, so what is the value? Let me show you. So if I talk here the values equal to 1 for January, 2 for February, with value which you are getting the attributes value, okay, this one. These are the values. So we can also select the drop down values by using select by value. Like if I want to select this by using value, so how we will do that? Dot select by value. So here value is 1 2 3 like this. I am passing a third. Let me pass different 6. Okay, commented this code. Now here you can see June is selected. June is the third value. Okay, how we can get, you can see here June contains the value 6. Okay, so drop down values we can select 3 types by using select by index. We can pass the index number. Index will start from here 1 to n. Second thing, we can select the values by using the visible text. Visible text means the text which we are getting in drop down as a value. Next, we can also select the drop down by using the select by value. So what is the value? Value means in options attributes, in options tag, there is a value attribute. We need to get those value. Okay, we can pass those value and then we can select by using that value. Okay, like here if I talk the values May equal to 1, June equal to 6. So these are the values and we can select the drop down by using these values. Okay, okay, thanks for watching the video.